If your car ignition key won't turn, don't panic and don't call a tow truck just yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a key that won't turn in the ignition, why it happens, and how to make sure it doesn't strand you again. Most of the time, you can fix this yourself in under 5 minutes with stuff you already have in the garage. Make sure you watch till the end, because the third fix is the one that saved people stuck in parking lots when nothing else worked. Before you assume the worst, understand that a key that won't turn or rotate is almost always one of 3 things: a locked steering wheel, a worn key or cylinder, or a battery that's too weak to release the lock. The good news is all 3 are easy to check. Let's start with the most common one, because it fixes a huge number of these cases for free. It's the steering wheel lock. When you park and take the key out, the steering column can lock itself, especially if the wheels were turned or you bump the wheel getting out. When that happens, the lock puts pressure on the ignition cylinder, and that pressure is what's jamming your key. Here's the fix. Put the key in, and apply gentle, steady turning pressure on the key, not hard, just firm. While you hold that pressure, wiggle the steering wheel left and right. You'll feel the wheel give slightly in one direction. The moment the lock releases, the key turns and the car starts. Don't force it. Let the wheel do the work and the key will follow. If the steering wheel isn't the issue, the next suspect is the cylinder itself, the mechanical part the key slides into. Over time, it collects dust, grime, and tiny metal shavings from your key, and it gets sticky or seized. This is where most videos tell you to grab WD-40. I want to give you better advice. Standard WD-40 will work for a day or two, but here's the catch. It's a solvent, not a long-term lubricant. It washes out what little lubrication is in there and then attracts dirt, so a few weeks later you're stuck again, usually worse. Locksmiths will tell you the same thing. What you actually want is a dry lubricant, graphite powder, or a silicone or PTFE-based spray made for locks. These slip into the cylinder, lube the pins, and don't turn into sticky gunk. So grab your dry lubricant, spray a little directly onto the key itself, then a short burst into the keyhole. Insert the key and work it in and out several times, all the way in, all the way out, about 10 times. This carries the lubricant deep into the cylinder and breaks up the grime. Then try turning it gently. 9 times out of 10, it frees right up. And if it's still stubborn after that, here's the old mechanic's trick that genuinely works. With the key inserted, take the palm of your hand and give the end of the key a couple of firm taps inward, then try turning. That little jolt knocks a stuck pin loose just enough to let it rotate. It sounds crude, but it saved a lot of people in parking lots. One last thing worth checking: if the key turns but nothing happens, or the dash is dead, your battery may be too weak to release the electronic lock. A jump start can rule that out fast. Now, here's the honest part most channels skip. These fixes get you running again, but a key that keeps sticking is usually a worn key or a worn cylinder telling you it's near the end. If it's happening more and more often, get a fresh key cut from the code, or replace the ignition cylinder before it leaves you stranded for good. Treat the quick fix as a rescue, not a permanent solution. That's it. Steering wheel wiggle, dry lubricant, a couple of taps, and you're back on the road. If this saved you a trip to the mechanic, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.